So it's been a good 4 or 5 hours full on in destruction mode, and I've ripped the head off, the top off, got the sides off. Try to keep these sides because I'm going to see if I can use them with some supports underneath to build the walk around casting deck. Obviously a lot of rot everywhere, wood's completely rotten, transom's rotten. So I try to not record all of that. There's thousands of videos already with people destroying transoms and ripping boats apart. But it's been a busy day. I feel like I've gotten quite a bit done. It's all the trash. Had a good crack at it. I'm just gonna keep going.